Chris and Brian here from Resolve Technology, and we're going to bring you another tip how to do self-service reset of your password on Microsoft 365. Take it away, Chris.
Yeah, so generally we allow end users to use, to reset their own passwords. In order to do that, they just need to come to passwordreset.microsoftonline.com. They'd type in their email, the code here, and then it would more than likely prompt them for their MFA code on their phone as well. But they'd just be able, they can on demand reset their own password. And in order to set this on like the Microsoft tenant itself, you'd go into the Azure portal and you'd come right here to password reset, and self-service password reset for this tenant we're using in the example is set to all. So every user on the tenant will be able to reset their own password. Occasionally people might set it to selected and only have, create a Microsoft 365 group that would, only those in the group could reset it. So you can get granular too if you wanted to.
Okay, so Chris, I think I'll add a link to the URL again, the web address. Yep. And what's the web address? If you could just speak the web address again.
It's passwordreset.microsoftonline.com.
Great. Thank you, Chris, for that tip.
Yeah, no problem.